my channel. My name is Jennifer and I do all things embroidery. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be announcing the giveaway winner, and I'm so excited for this person. So before I announce the winner, I just want to let you guys know how much I appreciate every single one of you subscribers. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments and the likes and reaching out to me. Thank you guys for joining my Facebook group. It's still on there. Every single one of my social media links, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Pinterest, my Instagram, all of those are down in the description box down below if you want to follow me on social media. Check out any of my playlist tutorials. I will link some in the description box and up here in the cards above. So check those out. And before I freeze my butt off out here, I just wanted to come outside because the weather is actually kind of nice and bright, so I want to take advantage of that. So here is the winner. Drum roll, please. The winner of the $50 gift card to Amazon is Mike Parker. Congratulations, Mike. Please hype him up in the comments. Tell him congratulations. Mike, send me an email. I'll put an email down here for you to send me an email, because if you, in order for me to send you the gift card, I need your email address. So email me at jennifergoodtgl@gmail.com, and you have until Christmas Eve. So you have until Christmas Eve to get back to me. So congratulations again, Mike. Thank you so much for being there and subscribing to my channel and all the wonderful comments. And again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.